Hey Tingers, my name is Natalia and today I'm going to show you how to create these two pop-up cards for Christmas. One is a snowflake, the other one is a snowman. So here's what you need to create these cards. Now take the card and then fold it in half. Grab your phone and then find an image of a snowflake that you like. Increase the brightness of the screen and then make the image larger. And you only need to sketch half of the snowflake for your stencil. Place the regular piece of paper on top and then sketch half of the image. Fold the stencil in half right on the middle of the image. And then cut your stencil out. If you have these kinds of holes in your stencil, you need to carve them out with your box cutter. Place your stencil in the middle of the card and make sure that the middle fold of the stencil and the card matches. You can put some weak tape on the top and the bottom of the stencil to secure it when you're sketching. And gently remove the tape from the top and bottom of the snowflake to keep sketching. Now before carving this out, we need to create 4 anchor points so the snowflake is still attached to the card. And you decide where you want to put the 4 anchors on the snowflake. This also means that when you're carving, you have to skip these anchor points. When you're done carving, gently push the snowflake forward. Then gently bend the anchor points and push some of the arms backwards. And you need to repeat this bending and folding process with all of the anchor points. When you're done with the bending process, fold your card in half to make the folds more obvious. Flatten your snowflake and gently erase any pencil markings you might have. You can add a back piece to this card, but I kinda like it without it, so I'm just gonna leave it as it is. But I'm just going to add minor details, and you can as well, and you can even write a cute message. That's totally up to you. To make this snowman card, take your card and then fold it in half. While it's folded, measure and mark the middle of this card. Place this marking on the 3 cm marking on the ruler, then make a mark at 6 and 0 cm. From the 0 and 6 cm marking, make a line inwards, that's 3 cm. Connect the 2 lines with another line and make a rectangle. Find the middle on the upper line and then make a mark. Place the marking on the 2 cm mark on the ruler and then make a mark on 4 and 0 cm. From the 0 and 4 cm marking, make a line that's 2 cm. Connect the 2 lines with another line and create another rectangle. Find the middle on this line and make a mark. Then place this marking on the 1 cm marking on the ruler, make a mark on 0 and 2 cm. From these markings, make a line that's 1.5 cm. And for the last time, connect the 2 lines with another line and create the last rectangle. Phew, you did it! Now we need to extend these 4 lines here, so make the 2 upper lines 3 cm long. Then take the next 2 lines and make those 4 cm long. The next thing to do is to open up these 6 lines. And you can either use your scissor or your box cutter to do exactly that. Now these 3 tiers should be opened. Push the bottom rectangle into the card. Place your ruler on this line here and only bend the paper in this area. Place your ruler on the 2 upper lines and then bend the paper over it. Place your ruler between this line and bend the paper over it. Turn your card around and push the bottom figure out. Then place your ruler on the bottom of this figure and bend the paper. Then gently pinch and fold each layer and fold your card in half to make the figure more obvious. It's time to decorate your snowman, so flatten him out, give him a face, buttons, a nose, a hat, and arms, and add anything you want to your snowman. Now we need to attach a back piece, so fold it in half. Put some glue on the upper part on the back of the front piece. Place it right into the middle fold of the back piece and then fold the card in half to attach it. Put some glue on the bottom part of the front piece. Fold your card in half to attach it properly. You can add some minor details like these hand-drawn snowflakes or write a message inside of it. Choose your favorite card and get creative. Now for the random question of the day. If you were a queen or a king for a day, what would you do? I would definitely wear all of the jewelry, all of the designer clothes and shoes, and eat a very pricey Michelin story kind of meal. That would just be an amazing day. Now I hope you enjoy watching. Leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit the bell button below so don't miss out on any future videos. And if you're looking for more Christmas cards DIYs, check out these videos here, and I will see you soon with more ideas. Bye!